Hey guys, welcome back to My Anime Heroes Customs. Just in time for the release of the new anime Chainsaw Man, we have Denji CSM Custom. Really happy that these awesome mangas finally get their much awaited animes. Very awesome character build. Hope you enjoy this as I have. He'll be the 114th commission project. Subscribe if you like watching my videos and if you want to see more builds and customs in the future. Hit that notification bell and like button and comment. It will definitely help the channel grow more and for me to be able to keep on making customs for all of you. Cheers! Let's do this! For our materials, we are using an SHF bodycoon and 3D printed head sculpts by my partner Hanchi Arts. We are using the SHF bodycoon because this is the regular size of the 1/12 scale of action figures that we use. And of course, the star of the show is the head sculpts that my partner Hanchi Arts made. We have a Denji head sculpt with a normal face, and he opted to remove the front hairpiece so that I can detail up the face easily. And of course, the star of the show, the main head, the Chainsaw Man head, which I really love the design of this character. Looking at the scale and size and proportion of the head sculpts in relation to the body, that looks perfect, and especially the Chainsaw Man head, I really like that scale. Now the first thing to do is spray these with primer grade. While the head sculpts are drying, let's start with the clothing. For up first is black pants. So I'm using the template over here and I'm using a black spandex cotton fabric and cut two pieces and sew them together. Same thing with the white top. I use this template over here and the white spandex cotton fabric. Two pieces, cut them together and sew them, and bam, cut two. There we go. I've quickly test fit it to the body. I just need to add some cuffs because it's like a 3/4 long sleeves. I need to add a collar, cut it into the middle, and make sure my lengths and measurements are exact. Same thing with the pants. Now I have these Dasin shoes that fits perfectly for the type of shoes that we're gonna use with the Chainsaw Man costume, because he's wearing like a Jordan's Dunks type of shoes. So I'm just gonna have to shave all of these details, paint it white, and add the red details so that it will match with Denji's design. So up first, we need to shave off the shoes and paint it white and add the red lines and details. Going back to the head sculpts, I've painted the Chainsaw Man head with this deep metallic red, and I'm gonna let this fully dry before I layer it with the other colors like the metallic black and the silver on the chainsaw. And then fast forward on the work that I've done on the body with its clothing. I've already finished painting the shoes white with the red stripes, black pants, and I've fitted the top long sleeve polo on the body really well with the cuffs for a 3/4 long sleeves, and I've added a fabric cloth necktie. It's just a very simple two-piece clothing because I need this to be finished before I input the chainsaw arms. That will be an alternate arms for this custom. So I have these extra SHF bodycoon forearms from my pile over there. So I will make some chainsaw hands as alternate accessories, or a chainsaw blades that comes out from his hands when he transforms. I'm using this folder, but I'm doubting if I need to use a thicker material, but it will be an interchangeable arm as an accessory. And while I was doing the custom, I found that my sanding sticks look exactly like the chainsaw blade that comes out from his hand. So why not? Let's use this as the material. So I just need to cut them into shape and add some teeth. I think they are called teeth at the side, and then the blade comes out. So just like that, we need to make sure that it is aligned in the center of the forearm, and I've used the permanent open hands for the alternate hands. I'm just using my nippers to add some heat to the chainsaw hands. I'm just doing it roughly and in a freehand style, because I think I just want it to be more dirty and more gritty, like it came out of battle. And I really like that the sanding sticks already have that texture with them. So once I painted silver chainsaw hands, I've just added teeth, both sides and both arms. Now I just have to paint it and detail them up. They're done. And then finally, Denji / Chainsaw Man Custom is finished. I really enjoyed this project. I mean, when I first started to read the manga, the Chainsaw Man, about 2 years ago, I really enjoyed this storyline and the style of the characters. And so now that we will be having a full-fledged anime of it, it really excites me. And for me to be given the opportunity to create a custom and to bring this into an action figure form, I'm just really grateful, and it got me really excited. So we have this normal form for Denji. He looks really good with the custom Dasin Slam Dunk shoes, and side by side I have the accessories that we have, especially the star of the show, the Chainsaw Man head, which looks really awesome. I think Arts did he did an amazing job with this head sculpt, and I think I'm gonna make one for myself also in the future. So looking at the Chainsaw Hands accessories, it looks really well. I made it very proportional to the body, and of course I added a little extra. I gave it an extra tongue accessory so that we can input it on the Chainsaw Man mouth later. So transforming this figure, we will remove it from the elbows, complete exchange of 4 arms, and we can just attach it very easily. I've made it very easy to remove and easy to attach, and then we have it like that. The arms are already in place, and I've made sure that the head of the Chainsaw Man can be attached really easily, and because of the neck peg, it's an easy joint to use. And I think this looks badass, guys. I really love the design of this Chainsaw Man, and I am so grateful to be given the opportunity to just make this. And like what I said earlier, I have this tongue accessory that you can just lodge into the mouth, and I think this gives another dimension to the figure. What are we waiting for? Let's jump straight to action poses.